Hi everyone, I'm Master David Goh, a third generation Imperial Feng Shui master and a proud founder of Imperial Harvest. As we look ahead to the year of the Wood Snake in 2025, I am pleased to share my insights and predictions for those born under the Rabbit Zodiac. Twenty 2025 will be a bright and positive year for those born in the Rabbit Zodiac. While occasional setbacks may arise, rabbits will handle them with ease, allowing for steady progress and reaching new heights. The financial outlook for 2025 is promising for rabbits. By exercising caution and controlling spending habits, you will be able to manage your finances more effectively than in previous years. Investments should be approached conservatively, but the year offers stability and potential for growth in wealth. In the professional realm, rabbits will experience significant progress in 2025. With the support of benefactors and superiors, Rabbit Zodiacs will find opportunities for advancements. Leadership skills will be enhanced, making it an ideal time for those in the management positions to excel. Their ability to guide and inspire their teams will lead to increased efficiency and success. For relationship matters, 2025 brings stability for rabbits. For singles, strong romantic opportunities will emerge, though caution is advised to avoid short-term entanglement. Those in committed relationships should focus on maintaining healthy boundaries and spending quality time with their partners and family to ensure happiness and harmony. Health will generally be stable for rabbits in 2025. Maintaining a balanced lifestyle with proper rest and a healthy diet is essential. Avoid overly stimulating foods and taking time to relax will help maintain both physical and mental well-being throughout the year. All in all, 2025 promises to be a year of positive transformation for those born in the year of the rabbit. With careful financial management, professional growth, and attention to relationships and health, rabbits will find success and fulfillment. By embracing the opportunities that come their way, 2025 will be a rewarding year for rabbits.